Hear the wind. It whisper truth. Jah sleep. Judgment come. Them build tower hype and blood and sin. Them sit in palace while poor can't win. Them call like truth and truth them spend. Them feed the youth garbage from within. Money rule the rule. Law bend for the strong. The weak get silence, the rich live long. But time they come, the bell a bang, the trumpet sound, the wrath of one. Judgment day, no man can run. Judgment day, under the sun. Every work, every word, every way will answer up on Judgment day. Burn fire, truth stay, must fall. Judgment day. Earth cry out, she tired of pain. Ocean swell, the sky bring flame. Tree can grow, soil full of stain. Nature a speak, mankind for shame. Volcano rumble, river overflow. Sun too hot, the cold can't snow. But them still dig deep, and still them blow. As if Jana watch from heights below. Judgment day, Babylon fall. Judgment day, heed the call. The lion roar, the eagle fly. The stars move across the sky. Watch sign, no delay. Tide shift, Judgment day. From Genesis to Revelation, from pyramid stone to digital throne, just speak one message. Clean your heart, balance your scale. Truth can't hide behind title or veil. Veil, veil, fall. But still there's hope for the soul who change. For the hand who give, not only claim. For the one who love, not spread blame. Jah right in heart, not just in name. So me chant for the righteous, me chant for the lost. Me chant for the youth, them who can't count cost. Me chant for the ones who still bear cross. Light will shine, no matter the frost. Judgment day, it they know. Judgment day, we can bowl. If you eye, don't fear decay. Jah rise high on Judgment